How to remove or disable restricted mode on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off restricted mode on TikTok using your iPhone or Android so you can view all available content. In this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you're going to head over and open TikTok, and then you're going to click on your profile at the bottom right. Once you do so, you're going to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right, and here you're going to click on settings and privacy, and then you're going to scroll till you find the option of content preferences. And once you click on that, you'll be able to see an option of restricted mode. You can see that it is turned on right now. If you wish to turn it off, you can simply click on turn off, and then you're going to type in the passcode that you set when you were changing to the restricted mode on. So I'm going to type in that password, and once you do so, it would say restricted mode is off, and you have successfully turned off the restricted mode on TikTok. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.